Vibration security alarm. Soon will be sale on, I forgot that name of FB page. Right now it's on practical test for good operation in the future. This is the vibration switch. I short in BS. That's the alarm. And that's actually this is just a for experiment alarm. The actual one is bit larger and much more louder. Even I will not touch that. It will still alarm. Let's just wait at 12 seconds. What just happened? Oh, I forgot. The vibration switch I think is still the connection is still connected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, that's the problem. That's not a problem. Just the switch is just, oh, just connected like that. Well, if it's movement or gets a vibration again, it will disconnect. See, just disconnect.